morning, grade 5. I hope you are doing well. As we have finished our lesson yesterday, that's lesson 2, how ocean water moves. Today, we will just discuss a bit about sum it up and apply concepts. I will give you a brief idea about everything and later on try to solve it. And when you are done, use the answer key to check and revise your work. Okay, girls? So the first one here is a built structure that the current cannot move. You will remember when I said that you are building something to stop the current or not allow the sand to move from one place to another, to go and accumulate at one place. That was called as jetty. And the land at the edge of the ocean, okay, where you love to play, it's called, of course, seashore or shore. And if there is some change in the water level from up to down, it's tide. Continuous flow of ocean of water in a regular pattern. Remember, water and regular pattern, these two words will make up a current. And transfer of energy through water is a wave. It's an up and down movement and it's transfer of energy through water. Okay. Now, the constant motion, waves, which are caused by winds. Waves, they're caused by winds and they actually do not move. We see that they move, but they do not move much water. They move through the water. Waves, they don't move the water, but waves move through the water. THROUGH. Ocean water does not flow like river in various currents. The water level shore also rises and falls in a cycle called as tide. So now coming to the next page here, our word play, it's very easy. You can just see these are jumbled words, these are scrambled words. Unscramble them. High water level during a hurricane. You remember hurricane and high water level, storm surge. And I told you suddenly weather changes from hot to cold or cold to hot. It was El Nino. And the point at which the water level highest is high tide. Lowest, of course, low tide. It's very easy, girls. Two objects that affect the tides, it's sun and moon. So now, girls, I have discussed it. Try to write it without seeing first, and then because I have given you all the hints and answers actually. So try to write it without seeing and then check your answers with the answer key later. So write a single statement that use 3 of the answers above. I can just say the sun and the moon cause high tide and low tide. The sun and the moon cause high tide and low tide. Now coming to apply concept. Here, these are very important one to know. Describe how a particle of water moves as energy passes through the wave. How the particles what particles are present in water, how particles are moving. They move in a circle and returns to its original place. They move into a circle and then return to the original place. So that's the reason the waves goes here like this and like this and like this. So the particle moves in a circle and returns to its original position. Just draw a rough eastern coast of any direction of the current. You know, direction of current goes opposite. And here you can show the moon, sun and the earth in the straight line. Show me if it's not El Nino. El Nino means the cow. Can you see this? Yes, this is the El Nino because you have warmer water. You have warmer water, so this is the El Nino. This diagram is the El Nino. Please circle this. So I've finished with it. I have just discussed it briefly. I hope you will complete it, inshallah, in the weekend. Happy weekend, girls, and you will be seeing my video on Sunday, inshallah. Once again, take care of your health, be safe, take precautions and be happy. Take care of your parents and enjoy your weekend once again. Thank you, girls. I miss you all. I miss you all a lot.